Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to switch between multiple Facebook like pages on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Facebook account with Facebook like pages. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to your web browser, which is Safari in this case, go to facebook.com. We can use a shortcut that takes us directly to our like page, which is Computer Science Videos. Click on this, and now we are on our like page for our company, our business, our brand. Now, the main question, the million-dollar question is, how do we switch between multiple pages we may be running using our account? Okay, we are signed in. We are currently on Computer Science Videos. If we go to the left-hand side navigation menu, where it says Manage Page, we have the logo, the name, and then we have an arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen. If we click on this, we can now switch between multiple pages. Let's just click on the first one, Showcase Group. To go back again, go to Manage Page, Showcase Group. Click the arrow that points towards the bottom of the screen. Click on Computer Science Videos, and now we have officially switched back to the page we initially were on. So we can now quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now.